Officially, nasa labas na ako ng airport. Nasa Qatar na ako. Oh my God. So, I'm gonna stay here for I would say few hours. Because I need to come back at 4 a.m. So, for my flight again. Tutulong na ako sa Musharraf. Yeah. And I took Carwa taxi. So, Carwa, and I like it because they're accepting cards now. Debit or credit cards, any form of cards actually. They even accept American Express, I think. So, here siya. And I'm going to Musharraf Al Wadi Hotel. Yes. Yay! It's Doha at night. Oh my gosh. Nakakamiss! Nostalgic! Minutes again, brother, until up to Musharraf? 20 minutes? Okay. Si brother. In fairness, hindi masyadong mainit ngayon. I mean, gabi ha. Usually kasi pag summer, mainit talaga eh. But now, siguro hindi pa to ang pinakatuto. Kasi June pa lang, May pa lang naman. So, totodo pa to ng mga August, ganyan, July, August, September, init na kahit gabi, oh my goodness, parang tanghaling tapat, no kidding. Alright, so I'm in Al Wadi Hotel. Checking in. Yeah.
It's without password. You just put your email address and you connect.
Okay.
And your room to be on third floor, number 11.
Third floor, number 11.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Lower floor, I don't have actually like a higher floor.
Okay. Alright. Oh, where's your elevator again?
It's from here on the right.
On the right, yeah.
And in case you need any assistance, just dial number 0.
Okay, thank you so
Have a
much.
very nice day.
Thank you. You too, thanks. Wadi Hotel. Ganda naman ng nila. Mm-hmm. 11. Ay, no. Third. Ano ba yan? Susunga. Oh, third floor. Third floor. Natatanggap ka. Ayan. gallery. Yes, ang luwang ng ano nila, elevator nila. Anyway. 301, 311 tayo. Ang ganda oh. This is the hotel, M Gallery in Musharraf. Ito yung pinili kong hotel kasi it's so close to Souq Waqif, to ito nga sa Musharraf din, which is something na marami kang pwedeng puntahan. Wait, saan yung where is the saan siguro ang bigat naman ng dalahin. 311. Sweet. That was sweet. 312, 314, 313, 311. Yun. Ayan. This is my room. Ang bango. Ang bango, me. Ang gawin ko. Ayun. Ayun. Ang ganda. Ganda ng room. Thank you. Quick tour. Kasi, ayan, this is the bathroom. May mga sabon and all that. Amenities. Ano ba? Toothbrush. Hygiene essentials. My water. Libre. Ayan. Ang sabon. Luxitan. This is ano part na CR? O, diba? Diba? Andyan yung shower. Andyan yung bathtub. Gusto kong ngayon sana. Mag-soak sa bathtub. Pero I can't. I need to go out and puntahan ng Souq Waqif. Anong sinabi ng dala kong safeguard, diba? Okay, that's the toilet or the restroom. Ito, ay, may door dito actually. Para sa connecting yata yan. Alright, so may pangapagan. Ay, ang cute ng mga tasa, oh. Coffee cups and tea cups or karak cups. Ayan, may water ulit dyan. We have electric kettle din dyan. Okay. My hair dryer. Fairness. Shawl. That's a TV. Sakto lang. Not too big, not too small. Tapos may Bose speaker siya. Bose speakers. That's your working area if ever you want to work on something. Bisi-bisihan, ganyan. O, diba? Yan. Wow, pachinelas. Gusto yung pachinelas. Ang ganda ng room. I love it. I love it. Ilalagay ko na lang, guys, yung how much na nabook ko siya online. Just in case you wanna know. You know, mapunta kayo ng Doha, tapos mapunta kayo dito sa Al Wadi Hotel. And, more importantly, my view. Love it. Hindi nga lang makita sa hindi nga lang makita sa camera, but wait, let me. Ayun, so but right now, I'm just gonna freshen up and then I'm gonna try to go out. How's that? Happy to be here. Oh, di ba? Let's go downstairs. There's the elevator. Going to Souq Waqif.
المطعم متجه لأسف.
Maganda na elevator. Maluwang siya. Ay! Continental buffet. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yep. Palabas tayo. Go out. Yes, thank you. Oh. Medyo mainit. Sorry. Hindi, malamig lang kasi yung room. Arte-arte. Yeah. Oh, Arabica. Nasa harap ko lang. Ayan na. This is Musharib, guys. Ayun. Pasok tayo na Arabica. Order lang tayong coffee. Or, mag-soak muna tayo. Soak muna. Yep. Yun na nga. Oh. Diba? Nakakamiss. Tapos kabila niyan, Sukwakif na. Alright, let's go. Oh my God. O diba, ang init-init. Tapos nakapants ang akla. Ayun na nga. Ayun. Mainit ni. Escalator tayo paakyat. And then, Sukwakif. Sukwakif. Ito na nga, kabalik na tayo dito. Hindi na nagugutom ako, kakain tayo. Chay. Hello! Yeah. Oh my God, second cup. Pinupuntahan namin yan dati. Walang pangit. Mandarin. Diba? Gutom din ako. Diba? Ayun sa atar. Hello. Oh, diba? Napaka-nostalgic naman. Yan, ayun. Ang ganyan-ganyan. Alam yung favorite yung tea time. Tea time! Favorite na tea time. Ayan. Ito naman ang bilihan ng mga souvenirs. If you want some souvenirs. Oh. Diba? Oh, ganda. Balik lang ako dun kasi tingin ako ng magandang kainan. Nga, bumili tayo ng vitamin C. Nakalimutan ng vitamin C ko, besh. Ayun. So while waiting for the food, diba, that's my background. That's the hotel that where I'm staying at. Alwadi Hotel in Sharif. Yeah. So Supatif and Sharif is just opposite. I mean, close to each other. So madali lang siya i-navigate talaga. And then, nakakamiss naman yung magstay dito. So Supatif with friends, you know. I was supposed to meet with Christine, Chang Ami, but Chang pala. But unfortunately, it's so late already. So, ayun. Ayoko naman lang masyadong maano si ate mo, baka magpasok pa siya bukas or, yeah. Ako na lang ang mix it up by myself. Yes, so, yeah. So, nakakatawa lang with, you know, reminiscing those times when I was with my friends here in Doha. Tapos, just stay here, and then, ano lang kayo, mag people watching. Tingin-tingin lang ng mga dumadaan while, you know, eating, of course. Ay, nakakamiss. I'm just happy, you know, that I was able to go out of the airport and come here. At Subuakev and in Sharif, I guess. Yeah, I wanna go din to some places pa sana, but I cannot due to time constraint, tight schedule. I mean, I couldn't do, you know, much. Can't do much. So hopefully this is just a brief, you know, video here while here in Qatar, and but hopefully I'll be able to come back and then make a proper content, you know, with the usual places that we go to before, even the new places now that I haven't really visited yet. Sayang kasi I arrived during night time, but it's okay, there's always a next time. So yeah, next time talaga we'll do a proper vlog when we come back. Malay mo, I mean, maybe that time Nico will be with me also, or even June, or even Joanne, Chang, even Earl, na napaka-busy sa Washington State. Oh my gosh, tagal ng food. Sana naman, ilisan nyo naman na nang makapunta na ako ng Sharif at makabalik na ng hotel, maka-freshen up na ako at matulog. Oo. Anyway, dinala na pala nila yung lemon mint. I don't know if this is as good as the lemon mint in Qatar Airways. So, taste it. It's maasim yun. It's more sour, you know, than the one in Qatar Airways. But okay na. Nalalasahan mo naman. You can still taste the mint and the lemon anyway. So, it's good. And it's refreshing. Mint is so refreshing with this kind of weather in Doha. Although it's not very, very hot, scorching hot yet. Diba? It's not as bad as July, August, September. Even. Alright. So, yun, wait lang muna tayo ng food. That is too big. What is this again, brother, for the vlog? What is this again? What is this again?
This is lamb biryani.
Ah, lumber yan.
Lumber yan. So nice, so delicious.
Ayun, so we'll try the lumber yan. Hindi ko kaya ito best kasi tignan mo naman. I can siguro i-take out ko. Pero tikman na. Let's just try it. Gracious. Rice muna ba? Dami ko niyatang kinain for today. Parang tinipid naman yung lamb, mas marami yung rice, chares. Sana masarap to ah. Na. Uy, sarap siya, surprisingly good. Yan. Sa Albandar. Kung mapunta kayo dito sa Sukwak, it's sa Albandar. Ang daming pusang nagkalat. So usually pag naamoy ko pa lang yung ano niya. Ano ba distinct amoy niya? Ano talaga? Ayaw akong kainin. Pero ito in fairness, surprisingly. Sarap siya. Baka makain ko pa lahat to. Medyo maanghang lang besh, pero hindi ko makakain ko lahat ito. Besh, ang dami. Ang laki din ng subo ko, di ba? Ayan. Sarap. Alam mo, maganda yung may cilantro siya kasi siya rin ang nagpapabango sa pagkain. $50 to guys. Kano ba yung $50? Wala akong internet pa.
مريض تحكم لك 4000
Maanghang pero masarap yung pagkaanghang mo. Sa totoo. Sorry. Dami kong nakakain. That's a lot. Sorry.
Oh, what's that?
Cheers. At naman ganyan. Siguro yun. Maanghang siya, besh. Pero carry lang. Masarap kasi. Oh. talaga ng subo ko, besh. Salamat. Kita ako ng mga turista at mga lokal dito. Ay! Ang laki ng subo ng akula. Ay, lang naman. Ay, hindi mo pa tayo. Ano? Ano ka? Dali. Bakit sa ayan o. Hello! Andyan pa yung isa. Ang laka. Ayun na. Hindi ko na kaya, me. Too much. Bayad na ako at halos na. Diba? Ano na? Souq Waqif Art Center. O, diba? It's like your own runway. Ayun na nga. Art Center. Ayun. Tayo sa taas. Ito. So pretty. See? Look at their artwork. Ayun, done na for the Souq Waqif. My heart is full. I was able to come here. Balik na tayo na Musharraf. Musharraf. Okay, ito na nga. But we're back at Musharraf area. And this is Arabica. Masarap din ang coffee niyan. Favorite ko dyan ang ano nila, Spanish latte. Yeah. I might just order one. And it's 122. Diba? I really miss this area. I really miss us drinking coffee here. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna order one. Pasok tayo. Mga kamusta lang ako.
Malamig po sa labas.
Init din. I mean, wala pa to kasi mas
wala
may init pa. July na hanggang ano.
Tsaka August.
Yung meron pa bang ano, Spanish?
Meron.
Let's say,
Ice po.
iced. Hindi naman ilang ano yan, ilang shots ng espresso. Please, oo. Kasi kailangan ko magising ng maaga po. At may flight ako.
Uwi na po kayo?
Uwi kong Pinas ate. Oo. Yay!
Meron po sila. Ay, Spanish half shot po.
Half shot, yes. Wait lang ate ah.
Try mo din yung Arabica sa Pilipinas.
Meron sa Taguig, I forgot. Tatlo yata or dalawa?
Dalawa ba?
Yeah.
Thank you po.
Thank you, miss. Thank you. Spanish latte. Sana makatulog ako nito, besh. So I need to wake up at 4, or I need to be at the airport by 4 a.m. Syrup drain. Alright, so I guess that's it for tonight. I'm going back to the hotel. Please don't get mad at me. Please don't get mad at me. I'll do a more proper vlog for Doha, for Qatar next time. Okay. See you in a bit. Al Wadi Hotel. Doha. So yun na nga. I just finished taking a bath. It's so refreshing. And I'm getting ready to sleep. I need to sleep now. Alright then, later guys. Good night. Good morning. Good morning talaga kasi I wasn't able to sleep. Goodness gracious. This jet lag is killing me. Whew. Anyway, I am heading to the airport, Hamad Airport. Now, ready ba late? Oh. So why I can come out in the day? Thank you for me. So I'm really sorry with that. I'm trying to have her go a bit. Heading downstairs. There you go. Oh, okay. Hello again. Good morning.
How are you doing?
Sleepy.
You had enough time to sleep? Not much?
Shui.
That's too bad.
Yeah. It's okay. I mean,
About to check out, right?
yeah.
Should we arrange like for you, like a taxi maybe to the airport or something?
Yes.
What maybe?
Thank you.
No, you can ask it.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. While waiting, I'll be back. Okay, I'm just gonna show you one more portion of the hotel. Here. It's so pretty. Diba? It's so pretty. Right. Ayun. I thought that was okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Hello. Good morning. To Hamad Airport, please.